Old Arthur loved his lighthouse. Every night, its bright beam cut through the dark, guiding ships home. But one windy morning, something truly strange happened. A glass bottle, tossed by the waves, landed right at his feet. Inside, a rolled-up paper waited, and what Arthur saw made his old heart skip a beat. It was his own handwriting. Clear as day, the note read, "Remember the stars, Arthur. Don't forget your own light." Arthur stared at the words. Asterisk, how could this be? Asterisk, he knew his own loops and lines better than anyone. This was a message from himself, but from when? And why? This mystery made his mind whirl. His young niece, Lily, visited later that day. She was bright and curious. "Uncle Arthur, you look puzzled," she said, noticing his frown. He showed her the bottle and the note. Lily's eyes went wide. "That's definitely your writing. Who would send you a message in your own hand?" Arthur sighed. "That's what I can't figure out, dear. Remember the stars. I guide ships, not planets." He sat down, deep in thought. He remembered being a little boy, long, long ago. He wasn't always just about the sea. He used to spend hours gazing up at the night sky, dreaming of distant galaxies. He even had a small telescope once. He wanted to learn all their secrets. But life happened. He became a lighthouse keeper, a good and important job. He had forgotten those childhood dreams. Had he really forgotten his own light? Lily thought for a moment. Maybe it's not from someone else, Uncle Arthur. Maybe it's from Q star dot. Arthur looked at her, confused. "From me?" Lily nodded. "From a younger you. A part of you that wanted to remind the grown-up you about those dreams. About what made you feel truly alive." A warm feeling spread through Arthur. It made so much sense. He had spent years making sure other ships found their way, always shining his light for others. But in doing so, he had forgotten to tend to his own inner glow. The message was a gentle nudge, a kind whisper from his past self. He decided right then to dust off his old astronomy books. He would find that little telescope. That night, after the lighthouse beam was steady, Arthur looked up at the sky. He wasn't just guiding ships anymore. He was also rediscovering his old love. The stars twinkled, welcoming him back. He smiled. It was never too late to remember what truly made him shine. And sometimes, the best messages come from within ourselves.